This is Alan Bush with the Daily Financial Forecast for Tuesday, March 2nd. In the stock index futures, there was a very strong advance yesterday. In fact, the S&P put in its best daily performance since June. I do think much of this is related to the belief that central banks now may employ some type of yield curve control to limit gains in the interest rates at the long end of the curve. Overall, stock index futures have been performing very well for the news. Moving over to the currencies, we have the euro currency trading lower due to weak economic numbers coming out of Germany, including employment numbers and retail sales numbers. Also, we had the Reserve Bank of Australia holding its policy meeting today. They kept rates unchanged as expected, but they also did announce an increase in their quantitative easing program. Of course, this had been done already late last week, so no surprise there. Interest rate futures markets, seeing futures just steady. I do think that interest rates on the long end of the curve are now going to be limited to some degree, as I believe central banks will employ some type of yield curve control as the Reserve Bank of Australia did. And in the precious metals, this is one of the rare days where the gold is higher and the silver is lower, but I think that from the lower levels today in the silver, there will be a rebound, and I would not be surprised to see silver trading higher on the day and also higher longer term for the silver. So good trading, everyone. And once again, remember, these are my opinions alone and are not the opinions of ADMIS or ADM.